Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys where you can get free VHS, CRTs and transitions just like the ones Magnet Media uses in this video to give your video this sort of old film look like it was shot in the 70s, 80s, 90s or maybe even older.
The latest video game craze to sweep the United States and Japan. It's called Nintendo.
Now, what's Nintendo, you ask, and why should you care? Well, I think it's something you should know about because it's captured America's children.
Nintendo revitalized the video game industry.
So the first link we are going to be looking at is this YouTube channel. This video editor and YouTuber created this CRT for his personal projects that he uploads on YouTube. So he has decided to share it with us for free so that we can use. So to use this file, I'll be linking all the links in my description below, so just click on it. So once you're in his page, go down to the description below and click on this download link here to find the file, and you'll be taken to a Google Drive link that you can download all the files you want from here. And make sure to read all of the license agreements and read me first before you use any of the video. The next place is FREEPIK.com. This is by far one of my best websites that I use on a daily basis. They have a lot of free stuff here. So once you're in FREEPIK, you can Google for VHS overlays or CRTs and you'll find a bunch of free stuff that you can use here. They have it in images and videos. You can filter for whichever one you want from this place here. You can filter for video or image, whichever one you want, and you get a lot of free stuffs to download from here. After this, we'll go to CINECOM.net. I don't know if you follow their YouTube channel. They have a YouTube channel where they do tutorials on how to a lot of stuff on Premiere Pro and After Effects, so you should check them out. And they have bundles of stuff that you need. Some you need to pay for them, some are free, but some of these free stuffs you need to read. They are not, you can use them for personal projects and you can also upload them on social medias, but some of them you can use them for commercial reasons. So once you're in their page, go down to video packs and find the free stuffs that you can use. You see a lot of ripped texture pack and industrial light leaks, light leaks, transitions that you can use for stuff. So you can click more to find where you can use them. So make sure you read this licensing agreement before you use them. After that, we'll go to misskits.com. I think this is a version of Inverter Elements. So here you can find a lot of free transitions, a lot of them here that you can use, and this is regularly updated. So make sure you come back and you'll find more stuff here that you can download for free. And next is also another YouTube channel, AKV Studios. Here you find transitions. Just go down to the download here and follow the instructions after that to find what you want. Then after that, we'll go to premiumbeats.com for more transitions. They have over 7 transitions for Premiere Pro that you use, templates for Premiere Pro that you can use for your videos. So all you need to do is go to this link and you'll be able to download it for free. After this, it's another YouTube channel, and why I like this channel is that they have a playlist of VHS files, VHS effects and overlays that you can download from different YouTube channels. So you just click through and find the one you want. What I usually do is that I download everything and just keep them, because you never know when this might be taken down or might not be on the channel. So they have over 93 overlays of old footage effects that you can download and use. So make sure you check this out. And after that, another one that I really like is MOTIONARRAY. MOTIONARRAY usually have the stuff for premium users, but they have made this for free. These are film overlays, 8mm film grains, and lots of stuff. This right here, this Super 8mm film template is my favorite. I've used this a bunch of times, so make sure you check it out. Just go down to this download super film template here and go down to download. It's pretty large file, so check it out. And last but not the least is CINEPACKS.store. So once you're in CINEPACKS.store, go to sample FX and you find a lot of free stuff here that you can download. These are supposed to be paid for, but they're just free. They just give it out for free, and they make a lot of packs for people who do a lot of music video production and video editing. So make sure you take advantage of this. They have lots, glass effects, gun effects, money, lens, a lot of stuff that you might need. So check it out and make sure you download it and keep it if you have the drive to save it. They even have sound effects for you to use, so make sure you check it out. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more stuff like this. I'll be updating videos on this.